Assalamu alaikum and a very good day to all of you. Today is the birthday of Florence Nightingale, and nurses all over the world to remember and recognize the contribution made by Florence Nightingale celebrate today as the Nurses' Day. I am associated with the nurses from the beginning of my life. Earlier part, I was a doctor and I've been working with the nurses. Subsequently, after starting MAHSA University, I've been training nurses. So, my life has been all the while has been associated with the nurses. The nurses' contribution to the community is enormous. Whether it is during normal days, or is it during war, or if it is during pandemic, their contribution is very much, and sometimes they're not really appreciated. But now, the pandemic of COVID-19 all over the world have enlightened the people how important the nurses are. It's not that people don't know, but they always take it for granted. The nurse's duty is to serve the public. But we must understand the nurses put service above self. That is, they don't bother about them, their family, their kins, but they bother about the others. So this is something very laudable and we all must appreciate. Today, after the pandemic, we know how to value these frontliners who are risking their life and contributing to keep all Malaysians, whole of Malaysia and the world safe. We salute you for keeping us safe and keeping the country safe. On this occasion, I would like to wish each and every nurses a happy Nurses' Day. Thank you very much for keeping us safe.
Assalamualaikum and a very good day to all Jururawat Malaysia. Today, 12th of May, is the International Nurses' Day. Under normal circumstances, we would celebrate this day on a grand scale. However, this is not normal times, as we are faced with the conditional movement control order brought about by the coronavirus pandemic. Nevertheless, we should not let the occasion pass by as a mark of respect for the contributions that have been made by our nurses. Today, I would like to acknowledge the great sacrifices of all nurses, be they working in the hospital, clinics, or in the community, for the outstanding level of care rendered to their patients. To those of you who are working in the front line, screening for the coronavirus and providing care to those inflicted with the dreadful disease, we salute you. You have truly put your life in the line in order to keep us safe. Once again, Happy Nurses' Day and stay safe yourself.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and a very good afternoon to all. I'm Zanuria, the head of School of Nursing, MAHSA University. This year, 2020 has been designated by WHO as the International Year of Nurses and Midwives in honor of Florence Nightingale's 200th birthday. The highlight of this significant year is the push to increase the global nursing workforce. As engaged nurses, we in the front line need to be involved as well as be educated about initiatives aimed at nurses for taking actions and making changes to the profession, thus enabling nurses to practice to their fullest potential worldwide. Having said that, nurses instead are being confronted with fear and more work while still caring for others and facing the risk in the pandemic of COVID-19. Personally, I feel this is a call for all nurses to use this platform to embark on new initiatives and continue to serve in the true spirit of nursing and the critical role nurses play globally for our clients, profession, and ourselves. Today, 12th of May 2020, marks a significant day in every nurse's heart. It is the International Nurses' Day, with the theme Nurses, a Voice to Lead, Nursing the World to Health. Indeed, this is a calling for all nurses to stand up and be together in helping the nation, especially at this moment, and your service means a lot. And the focus is on mental health. Sure enough, at this very moment, what we are going through. I would like to take this opportunity to wish all nurses at MAHSA University and everyone else watching this live a very happy International Nurses Day, and all your deeds is a calling. Everyone has the opportunity to do something that strengthens nurses. Your caring attitude stands above all. Once again, I would like to wish one and all a very happy International Nurses Day. Thank you very much.
Hello. 12th of May is an important day in the calendar of all healthcare professionals. It is the day when we recognize the work that is done by nurses in our community, hospitals, as well as in hospitals and communities all over the world. It is perhaps even more significant this year when a large number of nurses are working in the front lines to combat the COVID-19 epidemic. I would like to wish you all a happy Nurses Day, and at the same time I would like you all to spend a few minutes thinking about many healthcare workers and nurses who have paid the ultimate price in this war against COVID-19. Have a happy Nurses Day. Thank you very much for whatever you do. Thank you very much for whatever you have done, and thank you very much for what you will be doing in the future.